Hi, my name is Johnson. I am a 15-year-old boy and I would like to introduce myself with you. In my free time, I like to play basketball with my friends. I am a Go player too, and I join many competitions on Go. And see, this is my championship on the race.